This is the Canon C70, and today I'm going to break down all the different parts and accessories I use for what I believe is the perfect camera rig. But first I need to break it apart. All right, so the majority of film work that I do is handheld, so I need a really good cage and I need to know that I can attach all my accessories to it. There's a few different cage options for the Canon C70, but the one that I went with was the knits. It has little slits on the side here so you can attach the hand grip that comes with the C70, and it's actually super comfortable. It does fit pretty snug. I had a little bit of trouble getting it in the first time I set it up, but to be honest, I haven't even taken it out of the cage since I got it. It's got 2 screws at the bottom, which I like, so the camera doesn't move at all inside the cage. By the way, for this whole video, I'm gonna be using this little small rig tool. It's got all the different Allen key sizes and a flathead. It has everything you need. But if you don't have this, the knits cage actually has this little magnetic tool on the bottom. So there you go, the cage is now on. Feels nice and robust and protects the camera. Now at the top of the cage, there is a spot to mount your own handle. However, I have found that I actually really enjoy the C70 handle. Another little thing that I enjoy is that the knits cage comes with its own HDMI clamp, which works perfectly, so you don't have to buy an additional one. Definitely recommend that you use this to protect your HDMI cables. Next, I've got the camera small rig base plate that I put on the bottom of the cage. This is gonna hold the rods in place. Tighten it up. Next, I have these small rig 15mm rods. I just slide it in, make sure they're even, and tighten it up. More small rig stuff. I have this V-mount battery plate, which mounts on the back. So we've got this hand grip on one side, but I also really love this small rig rotating handle. It slips onto one of these NATO rails. It's just got this little button on the side, and you press it down and the handle rotates for whatever angle you're filming from. Super handy, I love this thing. As I said, I mount the monitor to the very top of the C70's handle. It slips in like this. I've got a small rig monitor mount that I use, and the monitor that I'm using right now is the Atomos Shinobi. Next, I'm gonna throw on this Rode NTG5, and I cannot believe the quality of sound you get out of this thing. You need an XLR for the microphone, and that plugs straight into the C70 with the mini XLR. The only downside to mounting the microphone here on the knits cage is that it sort of covers the camera on and off switch. So I've seen some people mount it to this side. The C70 handle actually comes with its own microphone holder, which maybe I should show you right now. It looks like this. It attaches to the handle right here. However, the reason I don't use it is because it's right in the way of where I like my monitor. Actually, I wonder if I could put it upside down. Maybe I could put it upside down. Let's try right now. Maybe I like this. Yep, cable reaches. Maybe easier access to the on and off switch. This might be better. Okay, that's actually not bad. Now we need to see if it fits with the 28-70 lens though. I don't know if you can see, it does fit. It's a little close to the lens, but it's not terrible. Leave it like that for now. Now I use these CameTV V-mount batteries to power the whole rig, and they last a really long time. This is a dummy battery for my monitor. It's the NP-F550. Plugs onto the monitor right here. Wrap it around the back and goes straight into the V-mount battery. This is the AC adapter for the camera. Plugs in down here and also wraps around, plugs into the battery. So if you're thinking about upgrading to this camera, yes, it is absolutely still worth it. And I highly recommend all these accessories to make it even better. So I hope that was helpful for you. I'm gonna have all the links to these products in the description below. And that's it. Goodbye.